Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to change video quality on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the camera app, and here let's tap on the settings. As you can see, we've got the main camera right here and the selfie camera, and we can change the video size in both. So let me pick for example the main camera, and as you can see here we've got some options to choose from. In order to change it, simply tap on it and it immediately changes. The same situation will be with the selfie camera. Simply tap on the video size and choose the one you want to use. So that's all. This is how to change video quality in Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.